Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a full page screenshot in Honor X8. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find accessibility features. Right here, go for shortcuts and gestures and take screenshot. Make sure to enable everything and go to the third step, and there's a scroll shot. If you use your Knuckle, you'll be able to draw S and then make a screenshot. I'm gonna show you that in a second. And then now let's actually try to do it. So we need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case, I chose the settings. You can go for any website, whatever you want, just to make it scroll. Now, all features for a screenshot is first one, press power key and volume down key to make a screenshot. Then swipe down the screenshot right here to make a scroll shot. It will begin scrolling down the entire page, and when it's done, your screenshot will be saved. Next feature for a screenshot is this S, so we need to use our Knuckle and draw S in empty space on our screen, and it will begin to make a scroll shot automatically. Next one is to use 3 fingers and scroll them down through the screen, and the same, just swipe down the screenshot and it will make a scroll shot. And the last feature is double lock on your phone with a Knuckle, but it needs to be in empty space. This will also make a screenshot, and you can do the same thing, just scroll down the pop-up. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.